Right, a small addition to the cave. It's hard to see, but that's actually a big box. What could it be? So taking up so much space, is it really worth it? What is this? And there's a network cable. It's not really done yet. Okay, let's zoom out. This is a 3D printer in a box, because normally it's quite cold down here, and the finesse is that you can actually roll out it all the way. So full access. It actually keep the noise down also when it's printing if you're down here. Now I have a heating fan and on the floor. No, it's noisy. Oh, this is tonight's printing. This is Alexandre's design boxes. I have quite a few. Can never get to. Oh, there's the orange one. Some threading here, not much. Okay, so I got some boxes here, and somewhere else. So these are very good because it's actually a good design, and he made also cases. And I will have a link at the site. So when you grab something, you don't want this screw. It's simple to take out. Very secure grip. And of course you can label them, but I never do that. That's maybe I put a note from the box when I buy them or something, but the labels always change. So yeah, back to the printer, and of course I printed a cable guide here that designer found somewhere, and you see it's now it's in the home position, so then it's touches, but as soon as you print it leaves the wall. So compromise. And also the sealing is very tight, because I wanted the box to be, it's a huge box. The box should be as small as possible. And the brain is of course a tiny Raspberry running Octopi. Works very good. Very slow. Not printing, but connecting to. It's very slow. So it should be a fastest computer really. Okay, remove some stuff and we're ready for the next print. So the Raspberry controls these relay box, 4 relays. So I do have there's a rail for more stuff, power supply, power outlet inside this. So it's only one cable going out. The cable is in the ceiling, and there's a camera on the Raspberry, tiny camera there, just glued or melted. And the relays are controlling, of course, the power to the printer, and this little LED strip here. So it's 12 volt LED strip, standard for any kitchen or whatever. So that works nice. I will show you. Connect and show you from the computer how it looks. But as you see, it is quite dense. I'll go in a bit. It's closed, everything. This is a big roll of PLA. The width is something, I don't know if it says here. That's the maximum width on Ender 5. This is the Ender 5. Ta-da! in my case I have well, it's 75 millimeters, and the maximum is around 8 centimeters that you can have. And well, the cable gets more or less wrapped around on the outside, so it's, well, surgeons, very good, very good. So yeah, there you have it. And it's dust proof in here also. And I do have this hole in the box, because this is a used piece. It's actually from my boat, so it has been out sailing for several years. And this was the lid in the tabletop, where we have all the good wines and stuff. And there is a idea to have a fan for longer prints when you need to escape the heat inside the box. So there will be something more there in the future. And of course, temperature controlled by the Pi computer, and a relay for the fan itself. I don't think I need any cooling. Yes, that's it.